Guys, won't believe this is the third time I'm making this video, and how this thing is getting deleted, I don't understand. Sure, you know that content creators experience this, so this content creation is not easy. You basically want to start from meditating on what you want to talk about, what video you want to shoot, then how to go about it, what do you need to shoot these videos, and then even after shooting, editing, posting, uploading, and every other thing that follow. And I must tell you that it's not easy. And so we always look for ways to improvise things and for it to make our work easier. Most especially if you are not a full-time content creator, and then you have business, you're a 9 to 5 job worker, and you have other things, around your life to sort out, and at the same time you want to meet up with the content creation of a thing. Then you have to look for a way out. You have to look for a way to shuffle things out. So hello, my name is Tamila, and welcome back to my channel, our channel. If this is your first time, I hope you find reason to stay, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome to this episode of how to videos. In these videos, I'll be taking you through step-by-step guide how to create a sweet, amazing background voice for your content, for your video, for your image. You can make a sweet background for it, just like the one you're seeing is behind me now. This is not the background I shoot with. In short, if you see the background I shoot with this video, so it doesn't matter whether you are shooting with your phone or with your camera, you can always make this use of this background, because you're going to actually be doing using 3 apps, which I'm going to be showing you how you're going to do it. You're going to use a website, Canva, and your capcut app. So let's get started. Let me show you how you are going to go about this. First thing first, you have to make sure that you are shooting with a tripod, because you want a balance in your video. You don't want a video that will be shaking anyhow. So you must have a video, because this editing you are going to do is just for the background. It is not going to affect, it is not going to make your video stable. It's only going to give you a nice background. And the second thing is your lighting. It doesn't affect your lighting also, so you have to get a good source of light, a good lighting. If you don't have professional lighting, the one best source of light you can use is your daylight. You can just sit at the front of your window and then you shoot with it. That's the best source of light. It's natural, it's free, and you can make use of it any day, any time of the day. But for we that we work 9 to 5, we have things, we have runnings to do, then you have to get a light, and there are ways you can DIY your light. What I'm using now, I'm just using flashlights like lamp at the front of me, and it's giving me, at least it's trying to give me what I want a bit. So before,
go to your Google and type in Leonardo
capcut.ai, and this is going to pop out. And the first thing you have to do there is to create an account. You go ahead to create account. After that, you can, what are your interests, you pick whatever in the your area of interest that you want to use the platform for. So that's what I just did. And when you do that, they are going to credit you with one. I think I got about 150 coin, because for every image you are going to generate, they are going to be removing about 8 coin. For what I did, it's about 8 coin. So, and every day you log in is going to top up with the same 150. So whether free or pro, you are still getting whatever you want with it. So this are how the sites look like. So let's go ahead and create image. So we are going to type in our prompts. You're going to type in prompt. I'm going to drop the prompt I use in the description box below, and I used 2 prompts and it gave me 2 different amazing background. First one is design a beautiful looking wall for a YouTube video, and I just draw and type the prompt, and it gives me some amazing background for me to use. And when I input the second prompt, I just make a little change in the first prompt, and it gives me another amazing image. You're going to see this, and as a prompt you are going to get about 4 image at once. And that 4 image, you can see the credit I was given here, the coin I was given. And at every image, every prompt you want to generate image for, they are going to deduct about 8 coin there. And that's what I'm doing right now. Let's see how it's going. Generate. You can see, wow, this is beautiful. 1, 2, this is the 4 image it gave me. So you just go ahead and download each and every one of it. I downloaded the 4. I don't know which one to choose yet, but I kind of want something like white background. So I'm going ahead to retype the prompt after saving. Yeah, I only include the whites and then remove the long from the long lamp, and it regenerates for me. And wow, I love what it gives me. This is what I want, and that's what you're actually saying in the beginning of this video. You can see I saved immediately. I love this background so much. You'll be seeing it most time in my videos, because it's what I love, white background. So it gives me another 4, which I going to use one of it, and I will be using everything also. However, this platform, this website is not just only image you can generate. There are other things you can do on this site when it's come to artificial intelligence work. There are other things you can do, so you can just go ahead and explore everything. So since you save it, now you go to your Canva and then just type YouTube thumbnails template or anything YouTube, so that you can get the actual size of YouTube. So it's going to bring out the plain size like this, and then you click on the plus button and then go and upload that image that you've created. You go to upload it, and it's going to come out in this form. It's going to come out in this form, so you're going to stretch the image to fit in with the plain background there. You're going to stretch the image, and then you can just walk around it. If you have anything to add, you can't remove anything, of course. Just if you have anything to add, you just add it. Like me, I just want to add something like YouTube play button. What you're going to do is click on the plus sign and go to elements and search for YouTube, maybe YouTube logo or YouTube play button. And that's what I just, because of course I want to use for YouTube and not for any other platform. So I found one. So I'm just going to be resizing this and find a better place to place it on the image, on the on the background, and first want to place it on the monitor, but no, that's not good. Let me just find somewhere around the shelf and place it there, and that's what I've done. If you don't have a Canva app, you kindly download it. It is user friendly and you can use it to create so much design and anything graphics you want to create at all. Canva is number one to go for everyone. So I'm placing it well. I think this is perfect, right? So the next thing, you're just going to save it and download. You're going to save it, and then it will be ready for use. So next now is you open your CapCut and create a new project and look for the image that you've just saved on the canvas. Search for it, and then you are going to pick the image and then extend it to the length of your video. You're going to extend it to the length of your video. After that, you click on overlay, add overlay, and then you're going to add your video onto it. Then next is you click on remove background. You click on remove background, auto remove. I click on auto remove, so it's going to take a while to process the remove background remover. As you can see now, the background is off, and now to make it real, to make your video real, the other things you can do is to blur this background. You want to make it a bit blurry, so just go on, you click on filter and you type in blur, and just click on any blur effect, and then you're good to go. And then you're going to adjust the blur, as you can see. And after that, you can also add the effect. You can use as many effect as possible, just make your video be more realistic, and that's what I did here. So, and voila, you are done. Just save your video and upload it. You are done. Do you find this video helpful? If you do, drop a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And to my next video, stay blessed. Bye.